Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to convert temperatures between Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. So, let's get started. So, these are the formulas guys na gagamitin natin to convert units of temperature. No? For example, for Celsius to Fahrenheit, we have a formula of degree Fahrenheit equals the quantity of degree Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. For Fahrenheit to Celsius naman, we have degree Celsius equals the quantity of degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. For Celsius to Kelvin naman, we have Kelvin equals degree Celsius plus 273.15. And for Kelvin to Celsius, we have degree Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273.15. Okay, so next we have Fahrenheit to Kelvin. That is Kelvin equals the quantity of degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9 plus 273.15. And last, for Kelvin to Fahrenheit, we have degree Fahrenheit equals the quantity of Kelvin minus 273.15 times 9/5 plus 32. Okay, so we have 6 formulas na pwede natin gamitin in converting units of temperature. Okay? So let's have now our example number 1. So convert 25 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So ang step 1 natin dito is to identify the formula. So kanina na-present ko naman paano ba mag-convert, ano ba yung formula na gagamitin natin to convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, no? Kung saan, nakita natin na si degree Fahrenheit is equal to the quantity of degree Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. So, ang gagawin lang natin, just substitute the value ng ating degree Celsius dito sa ating formula. Okay, so input natin yung 25. So, we have 25 times 9/5 plus 32. So, simplifying the equation, 25 times 9, that is 225. And then, divided by 5. So, this is 45 plus 32. So, we have degree Fahrenheit equals 77. So, ibig sabihin, yung 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so naintindihan ba guys yung ating first example? So let's proceed to example number 2. Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. So again, step 1 natin, identify the formula. So dito ang gagamitin natin is yung degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay? So since given naman yung degree Fahrenheit natin, which is 98.6, so, input lang natin dito sa ating equation. So, that is 98.6 minus 32 times 5/9. Okay, so subtract natin to. 98.6 minus 32, that is 66.6. And then, multiply natin kay 5/9. So, 66.6 times 5, that is 333/9. So, i-divide natin yan. So, that is 37. So, ibig sabihin, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 37 degrees. Okay? So, nasundan ba guys? By the way, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 37 degrees Celsius, ito yung normal body temperature natin. Okay? So, next, let's proceed to example number 3. So, convert 100 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Yung 100 degrees Celsius, guys, ito yung boiling point ng water, no? So, try nating i-convert to Kelvin. So, again, step 1, identify the formula. So, that is Kelvin equals degrees Celsius plus 273.15. So, medyo madali yung formula ni Kelvin. So, just substitute yung 100. So, that is 100 plus 273.15. So, ang Kelvin natin is 373.15. Nakuha ba? So, therefore, 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373.15 Kelvin. Okay? So next, number 4, convert 0 Kelvin, ito yung absolute 0, to Celsius, no? So meron din tayong formula ng Kelvin to Celsius, and that is degree Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273.15. So again, simple lang to. Input lang natin yung value ni Kelvin, which is 0. So that is 0 minus 273.15. So ang degree Celsius natin is equal to negative 273.15. Okay, so therefore, 0 Kelvin is equal to negative 273.15 degrees Celsius. Okay? So next, number 5, try natin i-convert 32 degree Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So ang formula na gagamitin natin, we have Kelvin equals the quantity of degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9 plus 273.15. Okay? So input lang natin yung degree Fahrenheit natin, which is 32 dito sa ating formula. So that is 32 minus 32. So pwede na nating isubtract yan. That is 0 times 5 over 9. So again, any number multiply to 0 is 0. Okay? And then plus 273.15, we have Kelvin is equal to 273.15. So therefore, 32 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. Okay, so nasusundan ba guys? Next, example number 6. Convert 310 Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So meron din tayong formula ng Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So that is degrees Fahrenheit equals Kelvin minus 273.15 times 9 over 5 plus 32. So input mo lang yung Kelvin dito sa ating equation, no? So that is 310 minus 273.15. So subtract, that is 36.85 times 9 over 5 plus 32. So 36.85 times 9 divided by 5, that is 66.33. Okay? And then plus 32, so we have 98.33. So therefore, 310 Kelvin is equivalent to 98.33 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so nasundan ba guys kung paano mag-convert ng units ng ating mga temperatures? And that's it for our lesson today. I hope you were able to understand the topic. So if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to drop a comment below. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is Prof. D. See you in the flip side. Bye!